Hello friends, welcome to the Friday session of lesson 5 EVS lesson number Science of Kitchen. In the last we have given idea about the taste, that how the taste and aroma is harmful for health and causing heart attack and diabetes if we use excess of it. Now in this session, if we ask our elders about the components of kitchen and spices used as a primary cure for disease, see friends, this is a herbal medicine which is available in our kitchen, but many a times we are ignoring it. As a result of ignoring, some points can be added to it. Sneezing and cold, if we use turmeric and dry powder of ginger in a hot milk and drink it or gargle it, then it is useful. Coriander seeds, turmeric powder, these are the herbal medicine which is easily available in our kitchen. Best is salt. Salt is mixed with water. Gargle it nowadays. Then in corona season it is useful for removing the germs from the throat. That everybody knows it and we are doing of it. Then they have given that make a list which spices from the kitchen are used to cure the diseases. These diseases are common one and our grandmother and mother knows it very well. For the common sneezing, turmeric powder is the world best antibiotic. That also we are knowing it. Then it is true that there is effect of food of our health is very important. Food is affected by the thoughts in the mind of one who preparing or serving it. So prepare the food with calm and good thoughts. That means it is kindly following one Gujarati proverb, Jev man tev an, Jev an tev man. This is also very important. When we prepare food, we should be very calm, we have good thoughts, then the taste of the food can come out. Next session we have the lesson of land. In this lesson we will talk about the lands and other points. Magan Bhai, after taking his dinner, sat for watching the TV and baby Zil came running to him and she is saying that, grandfather, please tell me one story. Grandfather is saying, which story do you want to listen? Then Jill said, the one which I enjoy the most. Then grandfather began the story that there was a small village. A potter named Magan Bhai was stayed here. Every day he brings soil from the lake and prepare pots, bowls, etc. And he prepared a small pot, painted it colorful. The pot looked very beautiful. He kept the pot in his shop for the sale. And next day Ramesh Bhai was passing from nearby his shop. He saw the pot and immediately purchased it. His daughter became extremely happy. After seeing this small pot Ramesh Bhai's hand, she said, Papa, I would like to take this pot, so I will fill the water in a small pot. Friends, this is the story of a potter named Magan Bhai. We shall continue further in our next session regarding this land lesson. Please read the lesson very properly at home and study it well. Thank you.